my channel. It's Bonnie from Bon Voyage Let's Adventure. Today we are doing the outdoor activities on the Royal Caribbean Wonders of the Seas. So we have the perfect storm and many other things to show you about the outdoor things you can do, all the water sports. So let's get started. First, we'll start off with the pool. It's been totally redesigned. It has room for shade and sun. They are brand new places to relax with actual lounge chairs inside the water, which is very refreshing. You got a laying area over here, and then there's a pool over there. So the pool design's really different. Like before, where you would have ice cream you could run and get, or coffee or water, you won't find that there. It's just strictly chairs and maybe ice cream. We are right outside the Vue Bar. And near the pool, you'll find the Perfect Storm Trio slides. There's dual racer slides, so that's really fun. The people seem to really enjoy that. There's an orange slide, then a yellow and a blue slide, and those things are all connected in the same area, and people are continually racing on those. Tons of outdoor activities to do, like the Perfect Storm I was just showing you. Also on the other side of the pool area, you'll find the Splashaway Bay, which is for 2-year-old to 11 years old. It is parental supervised. The kids have to be potty trained, and it's a bunch of slides. You have to be 42 inches tall. It's just a fun little play area. So in this pool area, you've got pretty much 3 big pools, and then also this Splashaway Bay. Then towards the back, we have all-time favorite Flowrider that is very popular on all the Royal Caribbean ships. Watched a Flowrider competition with employees of Royal Caribbean, and you can see they were having a good time. If you are finding value in this video, please make sure you hit that like button, notification bell, and subscribe, and that would really help me out. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, and any little bit helps, so thank you so much. So here is another one of my favorite spots, the Solarium. And what's exciting about this place is it has tables and chairs. It's really big compared to the Allure that I was on before. They've added a lot more people here. There's lots of open space, and if you just go to the right, there's a huge restaurant called the Solarium and Bistro. It is very nice at around 4 to 6 o'clock because everybody's getting ready for dinner, and I'm bypassing it today since I had the royal lunch. I'm not hungry, so it is just a gorgeous place to hang out and relax. And if the weather is cold, you don't even know it because it's all tempered glass above you, some shade and some sun. It's really nice to have. And you have a beautiful view of the water. And it's just a very relaxing place, and that's why I like it so much. And I'm sure you would like it too. On the Ultimate Abyss, you have to be at least 44 inches high and under 300 pounds because it's a 10-story drop from deck 16 all the way to the Boardwalk area, which is on, I believe it was 6. exercise class upstairs and it's outside. I don't know what it is, but I think I'm gonna go check it out. My third exercise class of the day. 16, there's a lot of action. You've got your Ultimate Abyss, I guess is how you say that. It's the slide. You've got the Flowrider here, and then there's the basketball courts, and then there's the mini golf and El Loco Fresh over there. That sports court is multifunctional, and right next to it is the zip lining. This is the mini golf. It's really cute. It's designed so creatively with an under the sea theme. They have to do 2 holes in 1. It has creative play, you have mazes and puzzles and slides. It's just like a place for kids, young kids. Lots of things for children on this ship. I think they would really like it. It's pretty windy today. Places. The teen has a social 101. They have their own patio and they have their own little smoothies bar, and they have a social club that they can get into with their own entrance. I didn't film the interior or could go in there because of privacy issues, but here's a look at what it looks like. The arcade. You know, it's been really fun showing you around. I hope this has given you an idea of what it's like. There's a lot going on here, and if you haven't already, please subscribe below. Hit that notification bell and like button. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. Anything that you can do to help with that would be greatly appreciated. I also did a video, and that will be out on the indoor activities, and that will be talking all about what you can do inside. So I hope this has helped you and maybe helped you make your decision on how you want to spend your travel time. I really had a good time on this cruise. It was really fun. If you get a chance, a repositioning cruise is really fun because it's almost like it's the destination in itself. We had 9 days at sea and we saw a lot and did a lot. We also got to see Spain, and that was very exciting. So all that will be coming up in my playlist. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.